Hello, my name is Tupou. I'm from Monterey, here in California. As you can see, my eyes are like so much better now, like almost 100%. I'm still like in the recovery process. I still have just a little bit of redness just from the surgery, but it's so much better. I'm so thrilled. I'm so happy. Now I'm like 100% confidence when I talk with people, because compared to before, when before the surgery, I would avoid eye contact like big time, but now I am like eye to eye, and I will stay in the conversation, and I love to look people in the eyes when I talk with them. So I'm so happy. Yeah, I had the eye bright surgery. I had the redness in my eyes for so many years, and I went to a couple of doctors. They were saying, well, your eyes are okay, we'll just prescribe you drops, but I wasn't happy at all, because they didn't tell me what's really the problem or how to make the problem go away. And then I found Wachler. Well, actually, I found out about him on the doctors, because I like to watch the doctors, and that's how I found. So I went to his website, I did some research, and I love watching the videos from his previous patients. So yes, so that encouraged me to like just come to Brian, and here I am, 1 month under the after the surgery, and I'm so happy with the results so far. So yes, I would recommend anybody that has the same problem, come to Dr. Brian. He will solve your problem.